Imagine waking up one day and discovering that Earth has suddenly stopped spinning. It sounds impossible, but what would happen if our planet completely froze for only 5 seconds? Although we cannot feel it, Earth is constantly rotating. It completes one full turn every 24 hours, creating the cycle of day and night. Near the equator, everything on Earth's surface is moving at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour. We don't notice this incredible speed because we, the oceans and the atmosphere, are all moving together with Earth. Now imagine the impossible happens. Earth suddenly stops spinning in an instant, while everything else keeps moving. According to the laws of physics, objects in motion stay in motion unless something stops them. This force is called inertia. People, vehicles, and structures near the equator would continue moving eastward at enormous speeds, causing devastating destruction. The air around Earth would not stop immediately. It would keep racing around the planet, creating winds stronger than any hurricane in history. These unstoppable winds could destroy forests, cities, and everything standing in their path. The oceans would also continue moving, sending gigantic waves across the continents and flooding massive areas. Because the oceans carry enormous momentum, billions of tons of water would keep moving, creating catastrophic floods across many coastal regions. Earth is slightly wider at the equator because of its rotation. If it stopped permanently, gravity would slowly reshape the planet. The sudden forces could place extreme stress on Earth's surface, potentially triggering powerful earthquakes and geological disturbances. Aircraft in the sky would encounter violent atmospheric changes, making flying incredibly dangerous. The entire disaster would happen in only 5 seconds, but those few moments could leave damage lasting for generations. When Earth's rotation returns, the planet would not instantly recover. The destruction left behind would still remain. Survivors would face enormous challenges, including destroyed infrastructure, limited resources, and global environmental disasters. Fortunately, Earth cannot simply stop spinning like a machine turning off. The laws of physics keep its rotation extremely stable. Earth's rotation controls our days, influences weather systems, and plays a vital role in maintaining the balance that supports life. Our spinning planet may seem ordinary, but its motion is one of the greatest reasons life can exist. Even a 5-second stop could completely transform the world forever. Earth's rotation creates our cycle of day and night. A 5-second stop would be too short to change the length of the day, but it shows how important this movement truly is. Many people believe Earth stopping would remove gravity, but that is a myth. Gravity comes from Earth's mass, not its rotation. Stopping an entire planet would require an unimaginable amount of energy, far beyond anything humanity could ever produce. Scientists explore extreme ideas like this to better understand the laws of physics and the forces that shape our universe. Our world exists because of an incredible balance between gravity, motion, atmosphere, and countless natural systems working together. Every second our planet is spinning through space, protecting the rhythm of life. Stay curious, keep exploring, and discover the amazing secrets of our universe.